We use stone to break.
Yes, yeah, man.
Yes. So, and the fruits lie inside.
Yes, nice. All right,
Yes.
cool. And I heard it's stamina food too, you know.
Wow. Stamina food. Yes.
So the man big and strong, guys.
Yes, man.
It's stinking
Stamina
too.
food, man.
My Jamas family, how you do? Fantastic. Now, on a serious note, there's actually a fruit in Jamaica that has to be one of the weirdest fruit in the world. It literally stinks. They call it stinking toad. This fruit, yes, this one here. But wait until you learn that it actually is extremely nutritious. It has more iron than bananas, more fiber than mangoes, more calcium than pineapples. And today we're going to explore it with a friend of mine, Ellie, way in deep rural Hanover. It has to be probably one of the last or few remaining places where this fruit can be found here in Jamaica. Today though, I'm happy to be here and I'm going to share the entire experience with you. We have the tree, we have the fruits and stuff. We're going to share that with you. Stay to the end though, because at the end I'm going to share some creative ways that you can use this fruit here to enrich your nutrition as well. Special shout out to a couple persons as well. There's some people who have been knocking down on the door asking me to do a video on stinking toe, this one. So this one, my friend, is for you. And Andrea, we call her the breadfruit wizard. She actually made a nice smooth, a nice juice with it. Breadfruit juice with stinking toe. What is supposed to be, she called it the power punch, right? So I want to shout out Andrea. There's a link in the description to her video as well. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel though, for whatever reason, I'm going to ask you to pause right now. Yes man, pause. Hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification because I do a lot of these kind of videos, unusual fruits, medicinal herbs and all the good stuff from here, from Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of that. Do that now. Hit the subscribe button so that way you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's go to stinking toe. Okay guys, I'm on my way in the hills of Pearl River in Hanover, and this is, I can't help, this is a mango tree here blossoming, actually two of them. Yeah man, and I smell it guys, I start to smell the stinking toes. And this is the man, Mr. Ellie. Sir Ellie, turn around and say hi to the world, man.
Hello, hi to the world.
This man have the fruit guys, he is the rich man here because he have a rich fruit and him don't know it yet. So we're gonna talk about it today.
Okay.
Yes man, and this is the tree. Wow, it's a huge one man.
Yes.
Must be one of the older ones, Sir Ellie.
Huh?
Must be one of the older ones.
Yes, to the younger one, them they catch up on and eat. One more younger one. This is the mother tree.
This is the mother. So this one look like it probably here for years, man.
Yes, man.
Like maybe like 50 years or so.
No, not so long.
Not so long.
No, not so long.
Okay, but this is it. This is it, guys. This is what the tree looks like. This stinking toe tree. This one is probably about, hold on, what about 50 feet, 50 meters? How you measure this now? You know how to measure me? Pretty tall, pretty tall, pretty tall.
Yes.
I would, if I should compare it to another tree that people know,
yes.
A typical tree would probably maybe like a oh Lord, hard to say, maybe a bamboo.
Like a guango tree. Yes,
Well, it's quite big.
Yes,
it's quite big. Yeah, man. Yeah, and they have some more over here.
Yes, there's another one.
Some more over here.
This one.
Oh, a smaller one.
Yes, smaller one.
Okay, cool. And the scientific name, guys, is in the description. It's on screen as well. This is a smaller one.
Yes.
All right. It looks clean, like it doesn't carry any of those plants that actually take over the tree. Are you cleaning it or?
No, no plant.
It's just
really
by itself. Okay.
You can't climb it.
Oh, it's hard to climb. That's what I realized. It's not so easy. Okay.
Yes.
All right, good.
Because it's a fruit that's normal. It's a fruit that drop by itself.
Oh,
you cannot pick it.
Really?
No, you cannot pick it.
All right, and that brings me to the point. The question now is, tell me a little about this tree here, my brother. Tell me about the fruit. Tell me about the fruit here and what you know about. What else you know about it? How come you know? How you come to know about this amazing fruit?
Oh, this amazing fruit. You can read it in the Bible that this is the fruit that John the Baptist used to eat when he was living in the wilderness.
Are you true?
Locust.
Oh yes,
locust.
Yes. Oh yes, I know the story.
Yes, locust.
Yeah, we call it locust too.
Yes, we call it locust. Yes.
So I thought locust there was actually, you know, to be honest here, I thought locust I interpreted earlier as more like almost like an insect. But it's not insect, it's
No,
actually
it's a
fruit.
fruit. Yes, this is the locust.
Okay, cool. All right. And how, from your, when did you first get used to it, as far as you remember?
When I was a child, I used to eat it. I go on the way to school. For those days, I used to walk to school. Yeah, so we used to eat it. We saw it's like drop on the way, and we pick it up and break it and eat it.
So we just meaningfully eat. You don't pick it off the tree, you say?
No,
you have to wait until it drops.
You cannot pick it.
What if you pick it though? I'm
because
devil's advocate.
It will stay. It is on the tree. It's very hard to pick.
Okay.
And it will be on the tree. Look like it's ripe. You will have the same brown color on the tree.
Yeah.
If you pick it,
yeah.
When you do like this, it is green.
Okay. So you just wait until and now we actually have a few under the tree here. So if you could,
yes,
yeah, man, if you could pick it up now and show. So it's a size in terms of the size.
Yes,
it's probably all right. So let's give the viewers some context. It's probably this is probably about 3-4 inches long.
Yes,
right, in length.
And you have some bigger than that.
You have some bigger than that.
They are all different sizes.
Okay, but in diameter wise, it's probably about 1.5 to 2 inches.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Give or take.
Yeah, about 2 inches.
Yes, good. And the interesting part now we're gonna look on how you eat it now. So let's show them.
Okay.
How you eat it. So traditionally,
yeah, we use stone to break.
Yes. Yeah, man.
Yes. So
cool.
And the fruits lie inside.
Yes. Nice. All right.
Yes.
No. Cool. Now I know it a little bit, but there's somebody who's seen it for the very first time. What does it smell like?
You know, every fruit has their own smell.
Yeah.
Mango has mango smell. Orange has a mango orange smell. Banana has a banana smell. So this has its own smell.
Thinking to have
thinking
to have.
Yes, thinking to have thinking
I still literally stink guy.
Yes.
But it is extremely right now, and the aroma can extend out. I mean a lot because I'm smelling it a good distance here. It's very strong, very pungent.
Yes. Extremely
nutritious. All right. What does it taste like?
Oh, it tastes so creamy. And silky.
Silky.
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna all right, good. And then it's from my little research to it's actually powder, almost like flour.
No, it will be like Horlicks.
Horlicks.
Yes.
Okay. I want you to crush it out for me so that people can see. Is there a seed in there as well?
Yes, there's a seed inside.
Yeah. So you crush it like that.
Yes. So this is the food.
And the seed, let me see this. There's the seed. Oh, so it's a round seed. A round seed here.
It's a seed almost shaped like nickel.
Yes. When you eat this thing, you have to bathe. You can't go on the road, make people smell you, man. Yeah. But it's extremely. We're gonna talk about the nutrition in a short while, guy. But you can see, so Ellie, it's kind of powdery, right? And people say choke them. I want to hear from you. Some of you know. Some person watching right now might know. A few persons know, have a little history about it. Can tell us what they know about it. But I know they call it. They will choke them because it's so dry.
So dry
and trashy.
This is the seed that's color of the seed inside.
Yes. How else do you? All right. So I know you juice with it, right?
Yes.
So you not just eat it. How else? How you make the juice? Put it that way. Let me ask you that one.
You break the shell, take the food out, put it in a container, pour some water in it. So it's soaked. The water soaked off the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The meat.
The meat,
so to speak.
Yes.
Oh, so warm water probably?
Probably warm water.
Yeah.
And you can do cold too. And afterwards, you got to get the seed out. And then you put it in the blender and blend up everything.
All right. And in terms of the amount, I was going to ask you the amount, but I guess everybody in Jamaica, you have it here, and so you do as much as you can.
Yes, do as much as I can. Do as much as I can.
But if you have whatever they have, they can just use.
Whatever they have, they can use.
They can just use. Lovely, yes. lovely. How else? So you basically use it, to eat it and to make the juice. No baking, no nothing like that. No.
Even porridge, you can even make porridge.
But you use it to make porridge?
Yes, man.
I want to hear, man. How else you use? How else you use it?
Just put it. Just pour some hot water on it and get it out and put in your. You can put it on the fire and put in your sugar and whatever you want.
So hold on a second. Sorry, you don't mix it with anything else? Just porridge by itself?
Yes, man. You don't have to put nothing inside of it.
Ah,
it's so body.
Really?
Yes, man.
Oh man, so you need a good amount for that then, man.
No, man. It thick.
It thick too?
It thick up, man. Very thick.
I'm gonna have to try it, man. I'm gonna have to try it. And I heard it's stamina food too, you know.
What? Stamina food.
Yes. So the man big and strong, guys.
Yes,
It's thinking
stamina food, man.
Yeah, man. Lovely, lovely.
Yeah,
All right, we're gonna explore, guys. It's a lot of them under the tree here.
Yes.
See there? Lots of them that just fall and fall going to waste. So I'm glad Sir Ellie here has taken the initiative to harvest them and share them. I met him in town. He was selling them. Right? So all of these good.
Yes, man.
That's bring. And they can last for a long time. That's
no, you know that weevils hunt them, you know.
Oh, okay.
Weevils hunt them. So as soon as the season is out, so if you wanna preserve it, you got to put it on your fridge.
Like this, tough.
Yeah.
Okay.
On your fridge. Or if you wanna break it and put it in like in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer.
Okay.
It can serve a long time.
Okay.
But if you just get them and put them down like in a kitchen or anywhere, weevils find them and.
Oh, I'm going. How they going there though?
Right, they bored this man.
Yeah.
Right.
Another demonstration again. That's how you knock it sideways, ideally. Cool. So
this one then going on.
This one have weevil.
This one then going on.
Okay, all right. All right. So that one is because it's a little bit holy.
Yes.
All right. So let's try this one. This one is good.
Yes, this one is very
all right.
good.
So I'm gonna go on camera to eat it because I don't want you guys to tell me say how me not eat it. Someone challenged me the other day and said how you not eat it. So I'm gonna go on camera and have a bite. All right, just stay tuned. So this is it, guys. It's stinking too, right from the source. Tastes good too. Stinking now.
But they're good.
Andre would just hold him nose. Tastes good. Good for you. All right, so you're not supposed to eat and talk with it. Can we choke you? All right, guys. I need to tell you a little secret, Mr. Ellie and I, we came here and Mr. Ellie started to eat full in belly before we start.
Yes.
And it's that good. It's that good. All right. On the ground here, them all over the place, guys. Look, Jamaica is so blessed, man. I'm telling you. When it comes to fruits and medicinal herbs and stuff, look at this. It's all over the place. This is just wild, and nobody pays any mind. Nobody pays them any mind. I'm gonna share at the end how you can reach Mr. Ellie to get some of the stinking toe here. So don't run. Stay with us.
See them drop all about on that tree here.
Yeah, man. I see them. All about. Some of them are from good from last year too.
Yeah, them dark one there, them not good.
The last year. Some fresh one here.
And see it. This is a young tree.
A young tree. Oh, nice. So
they just into them drop on there.
Yeah.
They just grow. See a young tree.
Another young tree.
Yes.
Nice.
Young tree.
Cool. Another young tree.
Yes, man.
Nice. All right. And we have a bunch. And look at this, guys, on the ground here. Stinking toe galore. All right. And the man pulled together a whole heap here. Now look at this. This is the harvest.
Yes.
This is the harvest. Let's talk about the health benefits right now of this amazing, weird, unusual fruit. 7 of them I'm gonna share with you guys. Number 1, it's good for digestive health.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Stinking toe is rich in dietary fiber, which promote digestive health and aids in regular bowel movements. You can't have constipation if you eat the food.
No.
Number 2, immune support. It has significant amount of vitamin C, which boosts the immune function, helping the body to fight off infection and reduce the duration of colds and all of those things. Now you know, Sir Ellie.
Yes.
But you know it's very good, but maybe don't know all the technicality behind it, but you know it's good.
Yes.
Yeah. Bone strength. Stinking toe contains notable amount of calcium, essential for maintaining strong, healthy bones and preventing osteoporosis. Yeah, man. Full of calcium. Stamina and energy. Yes, man. This is what you say the roots man them in the town. If you ask them which is the best roots, best fruit for juice.
Yes.
You're thinking to them tell.
Yes, that's thinking to.
All right. Yes. Okay, so them said this thinking to is good. It's a good source of carbohydrates, which provides sustained energy and supports stamina during physical activity. Hear that? Number 5, heart health. The fiber and potassium content in stinking toe may help lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of disease, and support overall cardiovascular health. So, good for your heart. Everything. Antioxidant support or protection. Stinking toe, guys, is rich in antioxidants which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Man, healthy. You don't have no pressure on yourself.
I have none of them. None of them.
I need some of that. And number 7, there's a lot more, but I'm just sticking to the top 7. Skin health. The vitamin C content in stinking toe promotes collagen production, contribution to a healthy skin, wound healing, and protection against sun damage. So, it stink, but it bad like yours, man.
Bad like everything.
All right, cool. I have two questions, guys, that, typically we share some popular questions that people ask. 2 of them, Sir Ellie, people were asking, I normally capture it during the recording as well. It says, what does stinking toe taste like? And I'm going to answer. I think you alluded to it earlier, but for the benefit of my audience, I'll just share that with as them. They said the pulp inside it is very dry, which we figured out, with the consistency of a clump of flour, they say. The flavor is thankfully much better than its aroma. Somebody said it tastes similar to dried milk, with hints of Parmesan cheese and herbs. That's what it tastes. She's like, what is the real name for stinking toe? Okay, good question. Stinking toe, also called jatoba or guapinol, is the fruit of the West Indian locust tree, which, by the way, the scientific name is Hymenia carbaryl. It's on screen as well. Hymenia carbaryl, which is indigenous to Jamaica and the Caribbean, the Central America in general, It's indigenous to our area, so we give God. So actually, God drop it. You say it's in the Bible. Locust.
Yes, man, locust.
So this place must be the garden. back in the days,
yes,
a lot of these fruits, unusual fruits, and some of the Bible fruits that we have in Jamaica here. We have in the Caribbean. Big up the Caribbean people as well. Trinidad, Barbados. I know people from Guyana. It's here a lot. The Guyanese are highly represented here. I want to big you up, guys. So the scientific name is Hymenia carbaryl, and it's this tropical delicacy has a cream-colored powdered flesh that tastes similar, some people say, to vanilla milk. So it tastes good, tastes relatively good.
Okay.
It just smells stink.
This one is a wild coffee.
Wild coffee?
Yes.
Hold on, I remember that when we were growing up.
Yes, wild coffee.
Hold on a second, let's look at it a little more. I forgot, we might have to do something on this, but there's nothing on it now.
No, it just start putting out.
So it actually can drink?
Bird eat them.
Bird eat them.
Yes.
Well, if bird eat it, we can eat it, man.
Yes.
That's what they say.
So after it come out in our pod, it open and it's red. And the bird eat it.
Oh, I remember that. I remember
Yes, man,
I don't remember how we use it or whatever, but I remember the name. Oh, cool. All right.
You take picture with the stinking toe on the tree.
I didn't take a picture. Oh, so let's see if we can capture
some of it.
Yeah, so this is it. Okay, let's see if we can The sun is in the background here, guys. It's a little bit tricky. But that's I hope you can see some of that. Look up straight up. You should see a little bit of it, or some of them, in the tree. Yeah. The tree looks a little bit, it's one of those trees that is kind of almost naked. It doesn't have a lot of leaves, is it? Or is this just the time of year?
It fall off the leaf. During the time when it's falling off the fruit, it's falling off the leaf too.
At the same time?
Yes.
Okay, cool. But
I'm bringing up fresh leaf.
Fresh leaf, okay, cool. So that's the tree and that's the leaf.
So that's the fruit. Blossom back right away.
Yes, oh, okay. Oh yeah, a question I should ask you. Is it year round, Sir Ellie?
No, the fruit, it's just one season, but it's like it takes long for it to come back.
Okay.
Dry.
Okay, cool. All right, so we promise you that I'm gonna share some creative ways that you can effortlessly enjoy the benefits of stinking toe. If you're afraid of the smell and stuff like that, or you're afraid to eat it directly, here are some ways, guys, you can use. You can use stinking toe to enjoy the nutritional benefits. So number 1, stinking toe smoothie. You can blend the stinking toe with your favorite fruits like banana, pineapple, and mango. Actually, those are the comparisons I made, banana, pineapple, and mango.
Yes.
Earlier, for a deliciously unique smoothie that's packed with flavor and nutrients. So smoothie number 2, stinking toe ice cream. Ideas, guys. Young people, come, we can't do it all alone, I do a lot of work here. You guys can take it to the next level, please. Stinking toe ice cream. Create a creamy and indulgent stinking toe ice cream by blending the fruit with coconut milk and a touch of sweetener. Number 3, stinking toe salad dressing. Mrs. G, stinking toe salad dressing. Yes, whip up a tangy and exotic salad dressing by combining stinking toe fruit puree with lime juice, olive oil, and a hint of honey. All right, they say add a burst of flavor to your favorite salads. Number 4, stinking toe marinade. Yes, man, you can use stinking toe puree as a marinade for grilled meats or tofu, Sir Ellie.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, they said it really does have a unique flavor, adds depth and complexity to your dishes as well. And finally, stinking toe salsa. Now, I'm not sure we're too familiar with salsa in this part of the world, but they said for those people who are, they said dice stinking toe fruit and mix it with tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and some lime juice to create a refreshing and unexpected salsa that pairs perfectly with chips or grilled fish. Wow. 5 ways to creatively and effortlessly use and enjoy the benefits of stinking toe, Sir Ellie.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So now you know, I know you love this thing from a long time, but now I know you probably more appreciate it even more now, not true?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. And let me put it out there. If anybody interested in reaching out to get some stinking toe from you, how can they reach you?
At the Montego Bay Market, but across Time and Patient Bakery. And what the name?
Fish Lane? It's not Fish Lane.
No, Railway Lane.
Okay, cool. In Montego Bay.
Yes, in Montego Bay.
Yeah, if they're in this part.
Fridays.
All right, cool. If they're in this part of the island.
Yes.
And if they can't do, and let's say somebody might very well want a plant as well, or want some whatever. They can reach it there, yes. Or they can call it, I presume.
Yes,
right?
they can call it.
Yeah. So what's the number?
820-876 820-5333.
All right. I'm gonna ask you again from a friend in St. Mary, who I always ask people to repeat it for her, because she said, Mr. Gill, you make the people them talk too fast, and I don't know anything about look in the description. So make them say it 2 times. So say it again. The number again for that.
876
yes
820 5333.
Sir Ellie, man, I love him energy, yes, guys. Big him up for me. Give Sir Ellie a big up for me. He's a man. I love him energy, man. I wonder if the fruit have anything to do with him positive personality too. Boy. But this is the fruit again. Lots of them. If you want it, yes. Check Sir Ellie. Yes, if you want the plant, I would love for people in Jamaica to start use up more of our natural stuff, organic stuff, and again, yes, totally wildcrafted. I'm in the bushes. We're in the bushes of deep rural Hanover, so nothing is Nothing is planted here, nothing is watered here, nothing is fertilized here, nothing is no pesticide, no chemical, everything here is totally wild and organic. And that's a tree again right there, that yellow looking one in the middle. That's a stinking toe, guys.
Come out here so you can see some of the
Yeah, I can see it a little better. Yes, I see it. Good, yeah, that's it. Stinking toe, guys.
And those the leaf now is a fresh leaf that's coming out.
Yes,
the older leaf are
all already. Yes, man. To God with the glory. Great things he has done with these unusual fruits and stuff. And just two quick points again, family. Number one, if you have any additional questions, drop it in the comment right now. We'll come back to it. Any additional questions or comment, drop it in the comment. We'll get back to you. We'll get back to you on that. And number one. And number two, I'm going to invite you to check out Jam Hearts Academy. We have a brand new fun community called Jam Hearts Academy. It's at jamhearts.org. Jamhearts.org. Encourage you to hop across here. We have a family, friends, Jamaica loving people over there. We talk about things like these. We talk about medicinal herb. We talk about travel. Everything unique Jamaican. We have exciting events. You should come and check it out and join us over there. Jamhearts.org is our exclusive private community space. And just before we go, guys, I want to hear from you. Tell me what you know about stinking toe. What you know? Did you know about it? If you do or if you did, tell me what you know about stinking toe. Put it in the comments. The stinking toe, guys, courtesy of Sir Ellie. Wow, I want you to pause right now and go to the comment and put health in there. This thing is extremely nutritious. People need to know about it. But if you appreciate this video, go in the comment and put health, H-E-A-L-T-H. There's another video you need to see, and that's the one with the black sapoti. That's another powerhouse fruit here. It's an unusual fruit found here in Jamaica as well. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you that one.